You asked, how to divide 3,225 by 25 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 32. 32 divided by 25 equals 1. 1 times 25 equals 25. 32 minus 25 equals 7. Bring down 2, making 72. 72 divided by 25 equals 2. 2 times 25 equals 50. 72 minus 50 equals 22. Bring down 5, making 225. 225 divided by 25 equals 9. 9 times 25 equals 225. 225 minus 225 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 129.